Hello, today we're going to be picking a Yale brass lock. I don't know the model number of it, so if anybody knows the model number of this, if you could let us know, then I can when I've put the name on the YouTube channel, I can change it. But I think it's a 5-pinner, I think. But to me, it feels it's got 6 pins in it. Using the old wipe insert, and I'll be using me home brewer. Right, let's go. I'll be using I'd say medium tension for this one. Slight false set. Another slight movement, so it's just that one pin keeping us up. Now we go, picked I think, now we go. Picked. So anybody know the model name, if you can please let me know, and thanks for watching, bye.